In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically create nested folders in Google Drive using Zapier. By the end, you'll have an automation that builds a parent folder and any number of child folders inside it, all triggered by activity in another app. This is perfect for organizing client projects, campaigns, or class materials without lifting a finger. First, head to Zapier.com and log in. From your dashboard, click Create, then Zap to open a new workflow. Think of a Zap as a simple, when this happens, do that automation. Next, choose what will start the automation. You can use tools like Google Sheets with a new spreadsheet row, or Typeform with a new entry, anything that makes sense for your workflow. Select the trigger event, click Continue, connect your account, and run a quick test. It's helpful to have a sample row or form entry ready so Zapier can pull in real data to map later. Now it's time to create the parent folder in Google Drive. Click Add Action, choose Google Drive, and pick Create Folder as the action. Click Continue and connect your Google account if it's not already connected. For folder name, you can map fields from your trigger, like a client name or project ID, so every folder is uniquely labeled. If you want these folders to live inside an existing directory, set the parent folder to that location. Click Test. Step to create a sample folder. This confirms your connection and mapping are working. You can always delete the sample folder later. To build your nested folders, click Add Action again, choose Google Drive, and select Create Folder. Enter the child folder's name, and for parent folder, map it to the folder ID output from the previous Create Folder step. If you see a custom option, select it and choose the ID field from the parent folder step. Run test step to confirm the child folder is created inside the parent. Repeat this action for each additional child folder you need using consistent names like assets, contracts, or deliverables. The order you add these actions doesn't change the structure, but double-check that each one points to the parent folder ID. When everything looks good, click Publish to turn on your Zap. From now on, every new trigger, like a fresh row in your sheet or a form response, will automatically create your parent folder and all the nested folders inside it. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Thanks for